What if it rained non-stop for 24 hours straight?
Not in one country, not in one city, but everywhere.
At first, it feels normal.
But the rain does not stop.
Cities are not designed for endless rain. Within hours, roads disappear.
Subway systems fail first.
Rivers break their boundaries.
Agriculture is wiped out in a single day.
The ground can only absorb so much water.
Then, the land begins to move.
Dams face catastrophic stress. When one fails, everything downstream is lost.
Coastal regions suffer double impact.
Electricity collapses.
Emergency systems struggle to survive.
Entire populations are forced to flee. Clean water becomes scarce.
Nature suffers alongside humanity.
Ecosystems are destabilized.
Global trade comes to a halt.
This disaster ignores borders.
Weather systems spiral out of control.
After 24 hours, the rain begins to fade.
But the damage is already done.
Recovery will take years.
Survivors face a new reality.
The planet remembers what happened.
One day was enough to reshape the world.
Rain gives life, but without balance, it can take everything away.